3, 4, 5. Now join your thumb and pointer. Make a peacock like this. Make a peacock. Everybody make a peacock. Put it on your lap. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Take a deep breath. Oh. Last time. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms. Slow, 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 slow. Very, very slow, 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 slow. Slow, 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 slow. Fast, 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 fast. Put it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and blink. Blink, blink. Feeling fresh? Ready to attend session? And it's time to say good evening, right? In the school we sing good morning song, beautiful morning song. And here we will sing beautiful evening song. It's a beautiful, beautiful evening. It's a beautiful, beautiful evening. The sun is setting down in the west. Birds in the air, tweeting everywhere. Going back to the nest for the day. Let's say thank you, God. Let's say thank you, God, for the glorious, wonderful day. Let's say thank you, God. Let's say thank you, God, for the glorious, wonderful day. Very good. So, you all are ready? सब लोग ready हो? हाँ? So, today I'm going to take your session. I'll tell you a story and we will do some coloring activity. We'll play with paints. Okay? But to start our session, हम लोग कैसे start करते हैं? We do some exercise, some warm up exercise, right? So are you all ready to do warm up? सब लोग ready हो? Show me your thumbs up. Ready for warm up? करें start. Okay. So for warm up, मैं वार्म अप के लिए ना आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दूंगी, ठीक है? टीचर जो बताएगी ना आपको वो करना है. ओके? So let's start. Okay, stand up everybody. Get up. We'll do some walking warm up today, okay? I'll give instruction and you need to follow. Come on, walk, 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 walk at your place. Walk, 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 walk. Now, side together, side together, side together, side together, side together. Come on, side together, 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 side together. Again, walk, 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 walk. Come on, walk. Walk, 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 walk. Oh, kick, 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 kick. Come on, kick, everybody. Very good. Kick, 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 kick. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Come on, do walking. Keep on walking. It is
सब
a
लोग
walking
वॉक करेंगे, सब लोग करेंगे. स्टैंड अप, एवरीबॉडी स्टैंड अप, सब लोग करेंगे.
Yes, it's a walking warm up. Now knees up, knees up, knees up, knees up,
वेरी
knees up,
गुड.
knees up, knees up, knees up karo, everybody, and touch with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Now open your legs. Keep on walking. Now kick back. Kick back, okay? Kick back, kick back, kick back, kick back. Come on, do it. Keep your hands like this and kick back. Kick back, kick back, kick back, kick back. Come on. Kick back, kick back, kick back. Walk, 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 walk. Keep on walking. Now jog. Jog at your place. Jog, 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 jog.
सब लोग करेंगे, जंपिंग करेंगे सभी लोग.
Jog, 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 jog.
जॉगिंग करेंगे पहले सभी लोग. जैसे मैम कर रही हैं वैसे करो. एग्जैक्टली.
Jog,
जॉगिंग,
jog, jog.
धीरे धीरे जॉगिंग करेंगे. वेरी नाइस.
Come on, do it everybody.
वाओ.
सबको करना है. Come on. It's a walking warm up. Again, walk, 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 walk. Now do it faster. Everything will do fast, fast. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk,
भी
walk,
वॉक
walk,
करेंगे
walk,
सब
walk,
लोग. वॉक करेंगे फास्ट.
fast, fast. Again, side together, fast, fast. Side together, side together. Side together, side together. Fast, fast करना है अभी. जल्दी जल्दी करो सब लोग. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Kick, 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 kick. Fast walking. Fast walking. जल्दी जल्दी चलना है.
सबको वॉक करना है. फास्ट फास्ट.
Now, knees up, knees up, knees up, knees up, knees up. Very good. Fast, fast. Very good. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Now kick back. Fast, fast. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back, everybody. Do it. Kick back. Walk, 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 walk. Now slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Very, very slowly. Let your breathe. Nice breathing. Nice breathing. Very good. Now sit down. Sit down, everybody. Sit at your places. Now you can drink little water. Drink little water.
सभी को पानी पीना है अभी, थोड़ा सा पानी पीना है सभी को।
सी टीचर भी पी रही है, टीचर भी थक गई आपके साथ। Okay. So
ओ वापस डोनाल्ड डक देखना है मैम।
हाँ 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 सर, डोनाल्ड डक आएगा आपको मिलने आज बार बार। Hello children, did you enjoy warm up? Yes. So show your thumbs up to Donald. Show your thumbs up to this duck. अरे मीरा मैम को समझाओ, मुझे बार बार डक बोलती है ये। ओके भाई, ये डोनाल्ड डक है जो डिज्नीलैंड में रहता है, उसको थम्स अप दिखाओ एवरीबॉडी। ओके ओके, he'll come again. Okay, now we will sing some rhymes. Okay, आप सबको टीचर के साथ करना है, टीचर जो भी करेगी ना आपको करना है। ओके, I will take first finger rhyme. Show your fingers. How many fingers? How many fingers we have? We will count. In this song, we will count our fingers. Okay, आपको कैसे काउंट करना है? आपको ये वाला हैंड यूज करना है और ये वाले हैंड की फिंगर काउंट करनी है। कैसे? ऐसे यूज करेंगे हम। This way we will do counting. Okay? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers. 10 little fingers in my hand. Again करेंगे हम, fingers count करेंगे। चलो, 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers. 10 little fingers in my hand. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. Come on, do this. Wiggle your fingers. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. Wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. Wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. 10 little fingers in my hand.
Alexa, stop.
They clap and they clap. Right? Come on. They clap and they clap and they keep on clapping. Clap and they clap and they keep on clapping. Clap and they clap and they keep on clapping. 10 little fingers in my hand. Then और क्या कर सकती है fingers? Then they roll and they keep on rolling. Roll and they keep on rolling. Roll and they keep on rolling. 10 little fingers in my hand. Then they snap and they snap and they snap all together. Snap and they snap and they snap all together. Snap and they snap and they snap all together. 10 little fingers in my hand. Now और क्या कर सकती है पता है fingers? I can do it to you. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle to my mama. मम्मा है आपके पास तो मम्मा को करो wiggle wiggle. Tickle tickle. They tickle and they tickle and they tickle my mama. Tickle and they tickle and they tickle my brother. I have Donald Duck. Tickle and they tickle and they tickle Donald Duck. 10 little fingers in my hand. We'll count again. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers. 10 little fingers in my hands. Yay! अच्छा लगा song? अच्छा लगा? Now I'll take one more song. Okay? Finger song ही है वो भी. Open them, shut them, do. Open them, shut them, give a little clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, put them on your lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth. But do not put your fingers in. Do not put your fingers in. Now, open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Put them on your lap. Walk them, walk them, walk them, walk them. Right up to your toes. Touch your toes. Walk them up to your. उसको walk कराओ अपने toes तक. Walk them, walk them, walk them, walk them. Right up to your toes. Lift them, lift them, lift them up. Put them on your nose. Put them on your nose. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them. Shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. And blow a little kiss. Mwah! Blow a little kiss, everybody. Mwah! Like? अच्छा लगा गाना? सॉन्ग अच्छा लगा आपको? Now हम एक स्लीपिंग बनी सॉन्ग करेंगे. You all are bunnies. ठीक है? और टीचर जो बोलेगी ना आपको वो करना है. चलो. You all are bunnies. Lay down little bunnies. सो जाओ सब bunnies. ऐसे सो जाओ. See the little bunnies sleeping till at noon. Shall we wake them with a happy tune? They are so still. Are they ill? Are you ill, bunnies? No. Are you ill? No. Then wake up, little bunnies. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop and stop. Hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop and stop. Yay! Very good. Now we will sing row 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 your boat song. आपको पता है वो वाला सॉन्ग? आपको पता होगा शायद. ठीक है, तो आप सबको बोट बनाना है लाइक दिस. ऐसे पैर करके बैठो. ऐसे बोट चलानी है. ओके? ऐसे बोट चलानी है आपको. row 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 boat gently down the stream. Row row, row your boat down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat gently down the shore. Row, row, row your boat gently down the shore. If you see a lion, woo! If you see the lion, don't forget to roar. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you see a polar bear, polar bear, don't forget to shiver. Do spring, everybody! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a baby starfish, don't you ever scream. Shh. If you see a baby starfish, don't you ever scream. Shh. Yay! अच्छे लगे आपको सॉन्ग्स? Now I'll sing one more song, your favorite. Okay. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called them quack, quack, quack. Only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called them quack, quack, quack. Only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called them quack, quack, quack. Only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called them quack, quack, quack. Only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called them quack, quack, quack. But there is no little duck came back. Oh no! No! Papa duck called them quack, quack, quack. And all the 5 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 quack. Okay. मजा आया सबको? मजा आया? So now I will show you something, okay? Sir, can you see the screen?
I can see it, but it's in a mobile form. Can you zoom it? Can you make it full screen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay. So, can you see? What is this? क्या है यहाँ पे? कौन है ये? Quack, quack, waddle, waddle all day long. Quack, quack, waddle, waddle, sing a duck song. So, who is here? It's a duck, है ना? And duck is a majestic, means it's a beautiful. duck ना एकदम सुंदर bird है ना, आप सबको पसंद है ना duck? कितना cute होता है. Then look here. Ducks are very beautiful aquatic birds. They are good at swimming. Ducks have webbed feet. देखो कितना सुंदर है ना. It is swimming and it is an aquatic bird. मतलब aquatic मतलब क्या है पता है? वो पानी में रह सकता है ना? जो पानी में रहते हैं वैसे birds को क्या बोलते हैं? Aquatic birds. And ducks are very good at swimming. Swimming भी करता है duck. And duck के feet कैसे हैं? आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? See, it looks like a web. Spider के web कैसी होती है? वैसे है. It is called a webbed feet. Duck के legs को क्या बोलते हैं? Webbed feet. And see, आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है? There are different types of ducks. देखा एक white है. Then it is of different color, gray and green. Then it is colorful, black and white. It is brownish. So ducks in different places are of different colors, shapes and size. So ducks अलग अलग size के होते हैं and color भी उनका अलग अलग होता है. अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग types के ducks हमें देखने मिलते हैं. Okay. Then duck की beak देखो आप कैसी. Ducks have strainer beaks. They filter food out of mouth full of water, sand and other water debris. Means duck जब खाता है ना कुछ भी तो ये duck की जो straining beak होती है वो फूड को स्ट्रेन करके मुंह में रखने के लिए हेल्प करती है. बाकी सब जो चीजें होती है विदाउट फूड के अलावा बाकी सारी चीजें होती है वो स्ट्रेन कर देती है. वैसे टाइप की डक की बीक होती है. Ducks have an elongated and a flattened beak shape. This spatulated shape helps the birds crush food similar to teeth. तो उसकी बीक का शेप कैसा है? Flattened. ऐसे चपटा चपटा है ना. And it helps to chew food. जैसे हमारे teeth होते हैं, teeth help us to chew food, crush food. Similarly, duck की beak duck को help करती है to crush food. What do ducks eat? Duck क्या खाता है? आप कभी लेक पे गए हो? सब लोग लेक पे जाते हैं फिर डक्स को ऐसे ब्रेड खिलाने के लिए, है ना? बट ब्रेड हमें नहीं देना चाहिए डक को. But ducks can eat anything. Variety of food ducks eats. Okay, small fish, fish eggs, grass and weeds, berries, seeds, nuts. Then small amphibians like frog, crab, insects जो होते हैं. That also. Then algae होती है water के ऊपर. That also. So ducks are omnivores actually. जो vegetables, green food, grass वगैरह भी खाता है duck and fish, egg वो सब भी खाता है. So ducks are omnivorous. Then this is one special feature, you know. duck जब पानी में जाता है तो देखो हम अगर फेदर को हम पानी में डालेंगे तो वो वेट हो जाएगा, है ना? तो डक अगर ऐसे पानी में जाएगा तो वो तो पूरा ऐसे गिला गिला हो जाना चाहिए ना, है ना? बट you know ducks have a special gland positioned near the tail. उनके टेल के पास एक ग्लैंड होती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रिन ग्लैंड. प्रिन ग्लैंड. ओके. और वो जो ग्लैंड है that gland produces oil. वो ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती है. एंड डक क्या करता है? वो पूरे बॉडी के ऊपर और फेदर के ऊपर अपनी बीक की हेल्प से वो स्प्रेड कर देता है that oil. एंड उसकी वजह से दैट फेदर गिव्स वाटरप्रूफ इफेक्ट, और वो प्रोटेक्टिव एक ऑयल का लेयर बन जाता है ऑन डक्स फेदर, ऑयल का। एंड दैट्स व्हाई जब डक पानी में इतनी देर तक तैरता है फिर भी वो गीला गीला नहीं हो जाता है ना। इट इज न्यू, आपको पता चला ना आज समथिंग न्यू। And ducks lay eggs and baby ducks are called ducklings. The end. Okay. So, आपको अच्छी लगी? आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन अच्छी लगी डक की? आप सबको अच्छा लगा डक के बारे में? Now I will tell you a story of duck. Duck. I'll tell you a story of duck. अरे वापस मीरा मैम को समझाओ मुझे। डक 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 बोल रही है, मैं डोनाल्ड डक हूँ। ओके डोनाल्ड डक, यू ऑल्सो लिसन द स्टोरी। डोनाल्ड डक तुम भी स्टोरी सुनो आज डक की, ठीक है? ओके, डोनाल्ड डक इज ऑल्सो देयर टू लिसन द स्टोरी। Just a second. Again, I will share my screen, okay? Are you all able to see the screen? Sir? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Can you maximize it?
Just a second, sir.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay. So, today I am going to tell you a story of little duck. Who is here? Can you see a little duck? A little duck who lived in a small pond. एक छोटे से pond में रहता है एक little duck. Okay? Every day he swam. Just a second, sir. मैं ये note वाला option करना पड़ेगा लग रहा है. Somebody is a note.
When you're sharing, that time you have to disable the annotation.
हाँ सर, हाँ.
On sharing only.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
आप कर रहे हो सर?
No, you can share.
हाँ, एक सेकंड सर.
Or I will share, ma'am. Don't worry.
एक्चुअली वो ऑप्शन सर आ नहीं रहा है.
Okay. You can stop sharing. I will share it. Yeah, just 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. You're able to see it now? You're able to see it
Okay.
now?
Yes, yes. Okay, so once there was a little duck who lived in a small pond. All whole day he swam from one side to other side all around the pond. Indeed, it was a small pond. So वो डक एक छोटे से पॉन्ड में रहता था. एंड एक दिन उसको ऐसे लगने लगा एंड कुछ तो वो बोला. ओके, आई एम bored of swimming in this small pond. I want to run away, the duck said to himself. Okay, so duck ना छोटे से पॉन्ड में रहता था तो वो बोर हो गया कि मुझे अभी ऐसे छोटे से पॉन्ड में नहीं रहना है. I want to go away, I want to run away. ऐसे करके वो पॉन्ड के बाहर आ गया. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड सर. So he came out of the pond and started to run away. वो जा रहा है ऐसे पॉन्ड छोड़ के वो जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड सर. And he met to a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, said the frog. Where are you going? Tell me where, asked the frog. And this is what the duck said. I'm running away. I don't know to where, but I'm running away from here. You are running away from here? Asked the frog. I'll come with you. And the frog hopped and hopped behind the duck. Next slide, sir. See? Frog ना कैसे कर रहा है? Hop, hop, hop करके duck के पीछे चला गया. And now who all are running away? The duck and the frog. They went together and they met a caterpillar. Can you see? They met a caterpillar. Where are you going? Tell me where, asked the caterpillar. And this is what they said. We are running away. We don't know to where, but we are running. We are running away from here. You are running away from here? I'll join with you, said the caterpillar. And caterpillar joined them. So the duck, the frog, and the caterpillar went together and they met. Let's see, कौन मिला उनको? The duck, the froggy, and the caterpillar. They were running away and they met a snail. Where are you going? Tell me where, asked the snail so slow. And this is what they said. We are running away. We don't know to where, but we are running. We are running away from here. You are running away from here? I'll come with you, said the snail. And the snail also joined them. So, देखो अब कौन कौन जा रहा है? The duck, the frog, the caterpillar, and the snail. They went together. साथ में जा रहे हैं वो लोग. And they met a beautiful butterfly who showed off his beautiful wings and asked, where are you going? Tell me where. And what did they say? We are running away. We don't know to where, but we are running away from here. You are running away from here? Asked the butterfly. I'll join with you. So butterfly also joined them. So now कौन जा रहा है? Who will tell me? The duck, the rabbit, caterpillar, snail, and butterfly. They all went together. See, they all are going together. They all went together until they reach to the sea. See? Can you see? So, they walk and walk and walk and walk and walk and they reached near the beautiful sea. Next slide, sir. Wow, the sea is more beautiful than my small pond, said the duck. Duck ने क्या बोला? कि वाओ, देखो देखो ये सी तो कितना ब्यूटीफुल है, मेरे पॉन्ड से तो बहुत अच्छा है. Yes, much more beautiful, said the frog. Yes, much more beautiful, agreed all. Then duck said, and it is much bigger than my pond. उसने क्या बोला कि वो पॉन्ड से इतना सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल है and it is bigger also. They all agreed to the duck. Then duck said, I'm thirsty. I'll drink some water. सबने क्या बोला? Me too. Next slide, sir. And they all bend to drink some water. Oh no, said the duck. The water is so bad. Oh no, said others. The water tastes so salty. See, they all tasted the water of the sea and it was yucky. It is not good. And it was very salty also. Next slide, sir. the same time, a huge wave came and splashed on them all. Next slide, sir. Quack, quack, said the duck and ran away. Ribbit, ribbit, said the frog and ran away. The butterfly flew away. But oh no! Next slide, sir. See, the duck ran away. Frog said ribbit, ribbit and ran away. But oh no, the snail and the caterpillar, they completely got wet. So they climbed on the high rock. एक पत्थर के ऊपर चढ़ गए, है ना? To make them dry in the sun. Then duck said, "Let's go home." And all others said, "Yes, let's go home, let's go home." Duck said, "We ran away. We have seen the big sea, but my home is the best home for me." So what they all sang together, you know? We ran away. We have seen the big sea. We ran away. We have seen the big sea. But my home is the best home for me. But my home is the best home for me. So they all came back to their pond. And that was the end of the story, Runaway Duck. Do you all like the story? What we can learn from the story, you know? We have to value whatever we have. We have to value our own things. हमारे पास जो भी होता है ना, हमें उसकी कदर करनी चाहिए, right? है ना? जैसे अभी तो ये song is the perfect song for us. But my home is the best home for me. But my home is the best home for me. क्योंकि घर के बाहर तो हम नहीं जा सकते ना. कोरोना वायरस is there. We have our family time. So we should enjoy our family time rather than getting bored. Oh, I'm bored. ऐसे नहीं सोचना चाहिए, right? And we should make memories with our parents. Okay? So we can learn from the story that we should always value whatever we have. ठीक है? Now you all are ready for the activity. Today we are not going to do one craft. We'll make colorful papers. Okay? So are you all ready with the paints? Ready with the paints? We'll
सब color निकालो. Everybody take out your colors. Colors.
We will play with colors.
सबके पास colors है? लेकर आ जाओ.
Take one blank paper. So, what we are going to do, it's a very nice activity. We are going to play with colors and we will get one nice background, colorful background, okay? You can also spread newspaper when you are going to do. जहाँ पे आपको करनी है ना activity, वहाँ पे आप newspaper रख सकते हो. It will be little messy activity because we are going to play with colors. Right? Colors everywhere. Colors here and there. Okay? So, take one paper like this. And if you have paint or natural colors, you can use whatever color, but it should be a liquid color. Right? Okay, so I have some colors. I'm going to use it. Green, yellow, red, blue, and little white also I can take. Okay. So you are going to little liquidy color we will need. Okay. Little watery, not much water. And you can just as in a line or however you want, you can just put some drops like this. Can you see? See, like this. I have put some yellow here.
I think could be the network issue. He will connect again.
आम्ही तर सुरू केले. ईशा.
Sorry, children, Wi-Fi चला गया था. Okay. So see, you can put drops of colors, different colors.
Just wait.
Lots of colors you need to put drops.
ईशा अगं तसं
Drops
करायचं.
on paper. Okay.
Show them paper again, ma'am.
Huh. See, you can put drops like this on whole paper. Different color drops.
जो भी कलर अच्छे लगते हैं वो सब ले सकते हो.
Whatever color you have, you can use all different colors. Then what we are going to do, take one plastic like this and cover it on the paper like this. Okay, put the plastic on the paper and then take this rolling pin Okay, and then you can roll on the plastic. Come on, roll. I think I need to put some more water, then the effect will come. Your color should be little watery, children, okay? See, I'm adding more color. Lots of color you need to apply. And then roll. Roll it on the plastic. Come on, roll it, children. You need to roll.
प्लास्टिक की थैली रखनी है.
हाँ, प्लास्टिक की बैग रखो आप इसके ऊपर. And then spread with the roller. अगर आपका ज्यादा अगर स्प्रेड नहीं हो रहा है, then you can आपको ऊपर कलर के ऊपर थोड़ा पानी डालना है. And then spread it all over.
Rolling.
Wow. है ना, मजा आ रहा है ऐसे. मम्मा कैसे चपाती बनाती है?
Very good. Haji mama करे.
Check now. Wow, see how nice it is looking.
कैसे check करे सर? ठीक है. हाँ कर.
See? Can you see? You will also get different colorful paper like this. Texture is also very good. This way we can make a colorful background.
Very nice.
paper.
Spin the roller.
I will do one more background. I told you to get 2 papers, right?
हाजी एक पेपर बना लिया.
Okay, we'll take one more background. Come on, take one more paper. And then
हाजी एक पेपर कर लिया.
what you have to do is
आपको
आपको ना 3-4 कलर थोड़े लिक्विडी फॉर्म में बनाने हैं. ज्यादा
हाँ तू करो. ओके ले. बोलो ब्रो पेपर एक पेन नहीं ना.
ज्यादा पानी डालना है. ओके, I have some natural color also. I will show you.
મિક્સ કરવાનું છે.
હા કલર થોડા વધારે લેવાના.
करो. डॉट करजो. ओके डॉट करो.
थोड़ा पानी डालना है. Now tissue paper. I told you to keep tissue paper, right? आप सबके पास है टिश्यू पेपर? पहले कलर बना लो. बहुत सारा पानी डाल के आपको थोड़ा लिक्विडी कलर बनाना है, ऐसे वाटरी कलर. ज्यादा पानी डाल के आपको कलर बना लेना है. ओके, एंड नाउ आई टोल्ड यू टू कीप टिश्यू पेपर, राइट? आपको याद है मैंने टिश्यू पेपर बोला था. यू कैन टेयर द टिश्यू पेपर्स. टिश्यू पेपर्स को ऐसे टेयर करो. टेयर टिश्यू पेपर्स.
I think some of the kids are still doing the previous activity.
Oh, they are doing that activity.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we need to wait, ma'am.
Okay.
can show them the previous one. Then they'll keep
They
it.
can stick their family photo on this background, Meera ma'am.
Yes, yes.
So
You
with
can
on this
see family
colorful
photograph
background.
on this background.
Yes, yes.
And I'll show you one more background with this tissue and colors. Very good, children.
Very nice.
Very good, Kushvika. You're tearing papers.
Very good, very good. You all are ready. I'll show you one more background, colorful background and fun activity. You will love it. It will be little messy और थोड़ा messy हो जाएगा घर आपका, लेकिन हमें तो आज खेलना है ना. We are going to play with colors. Colors, colors everywhere. Colors, colors here and there. Colors, colors that I see. Different colors are you and me. Right? दिखाऊं मैं आपको कैसे करेंगे हम? Are you all ready? सबके पास है टिश्यू पेपर?
हम अभी भी वो रोलिंग पिन से ही कर रहे हैं. That activity.
Oh.
Very nice. Good job.
Very good. कलरफुल रेनबो होता है. मैं एक रेनबो का गाना गाऊं आपके लिए. रेनबो, रेनबो, I can see the rainbow, magical rainbow in the sky. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Rainbow, rainbow. I can see the rainbow, magical rainbow in the sky.
Very nice, Swasti. Very nice.
Very good, children.
Very nice.
You all are doing nicely. You need to
Are you ready
keep
for
the
the second
colors.
activity?
आपको ना थोड़ा water ही रखना है कलर को, तो वो बहुत अच्छे से spread होगा. Very good. Wow. Wow, Avni.
Nice, Arav. Arav, very nice.
Very good, Vihan. Very good. Jayvardhan. Kanvi. Swanandi is doing.
Avni, it's so colorful. See, look at your paper. It's so colorful. Very nice.
देखो मैंने क्या किया अभी, ये पेपर इज सो कलरफुल. देखो
Very good. अब जितना पानी वाटरी कलर रखोगे ना, इतना अच्छे से कलर स्प्रेड होगा. ठीक है?
Very
I'll
nice.
show you one trick. आप घर पे जब भी आपको टाइम हो, you can do it. Okay? I'll show you.
Now everybody see this, what ma'am is doing. Everybody see this.
हमने ऐसे टिश्यू पेपर को टेयर करना है, एंड देन ऐसे लिक्विड ही कलर है. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, ऐसे टिश्यू को डिप करना है, एंड देन पेपर के ऊपर स्टिक करना है. सी, एंड स्टिक. ओके, तो फर्स्ट आई विल डू विथ ब्लू कलर. ऐसे टिश्यू को डिप करना है एंड देन स्टिक करना है. ऐसे देखो, कहीं पे भी, जहाँ पे भी आपका जिस कलर से मन हो, you can use different color. See, dip, tissue dip in the water and then stick on the paper. Dip करके ऐसे stick करना है. ओके, पूरे पेपर को हम कवर करेंगे. See, now I'll take yellow. Dip and stick. Dip and stick. Tear the tissue, dip it in the color and stick it. Dip it in the color, stick it. I'll take green, stick it. ओके टिश्यू को डिप करना है वाटर कलर में, पानी जैसे कलर होना चाहिए, वाटरी. ओके देन डिप इट एंड स्टिक इट. Dip in the watercolor and stick it. Dip it in the water, stick it. See? ऐसे आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर के अंदर टिश्यू को डिप करना है एंड देन पूरे पेपर के ऊपर आपको स्टिक कर लेना है. ओके I'll take little red color now. I have some natural color. Okay, I'll use that. See? Beetroot is here. Add some water. You can use this activity with natural color also, right? So I have beetroot and I made red color, dark red color using it. Now I will take this tissue, dip and stick. Okay, see, dip and stick like this. Dip and stick. Dip it in the color. कलर में डिप करके ऐसे स्टिक कर देना है. ठीक है. Dip and stick. सबको ना पूरे पेपर के ऊपर ऐसे स्टिक करना है एंड देन आपको उसको ड्राई होने देना है. ओके जब तक वो ड्राई नहीं हो जाएगा हम उसको ऐसे ही रख देंगे एंड देन आपको क्या करना है. आई विल शो यू. आई हैव डन इट फॉर यू. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. सी ऐसे मैंने स्टिक करके रखा था. जब वो ड्राई हो जाएगा ना दैट टाइम यू कैन टेक आउट द टिश्यू पेपर लाइक दिस. आपको टिश्यू को निकाल देना है ऐसे. सी आपको ऐसे करके टिश्यू को निकाल देना है. जो टिश्यू पेपर हमने स्टिक किया है ना we will take it out जब वो ड्राई हो जाएगा. See? And you will get a colorful background, है ना? And you can use this background also. जैसे आपने वो वाला बनाया same way, and you can stick your family photograph like this. See? You can stick your family photograph. You can use it anywhere. Okay? You can make this type of colorful background also. It's a fun activity. बहुत मजा आएगा आपको. ऐसे स्टिक करना है टिश्यू को एंड देन जब वो ड्राई हो जाएगा आपको निकाल देना है एंड देन वो कलर्स पूरे कलर के पेपर के ऊपर आ जाएंगे.
मैम को show it.
Very good. Very good children.
मैम को.
वाह अभी इसको ड्राई होने देंगे बेटा.
दे दिया.
So you can make so many colorful papers, colorful background, है ना? आपको ऐसे कलर्स से खेलना है. अगर आपके पेज हो जाएंगे तो यू कैन यूज नेचुरल कलर्स, है ना?
Very
मैम
nice.
we can use leaves also. I think पत्ते भी यूज कर सकते हैं
Yes, I
जो
have.
झड़े हुए.
See, हमने ये ग्रीन कलर भी बनाया है.
इधर
Using this leaf.
Very nice.
Yes. Leaf printing also they can do.
Yes, they can stick leaves also. If tissue, हाँ, टिश्यू की जगह पे आपको लीफ को डिप करना है, स्टिक करना है, प्रिंटिंग हो जाएगा. चलो अब ये डक को बाय बाय करेंगे. ये डक को बाय बाय करो.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, children.
Hi, ma'am. Love you, ma'am. बोलो.
Love you too, children.
बाय बाय ये लोग बाय बाय कर वाला ए रे अभी बाय बाय कर बाय बाय हे बघ हे बघ सगळं बाय बाय कर बघ सगळं बाय 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 कर बाय बाय सगळं बाय बाय कर बाय बाय कर आपण बाय बाय कर बाय बाय
आप डायरेक्ट नहीं कर सकते बेटा.
बाय बाय कर बाय 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 बाबा